Welcome to the Rich Freelancer YouTube channel. We are thrilled to have you here and can't wait to share with you some amazing new offers on Swagbucks that can help you make money. This video is all about the new, exciting opportunities available on Swagbucks that you won't want to miss. Whether you're new to the platform or a seasoned pro, you're sure to find something valuable in this video. From the latest surveys to the hottest offers, we've got the inside scoop on how to make the most of your time on Swagbucks. So be ready to discover new ways to earn money with Swagbucks by watching this video till the end. Don't miss this opportunity to learn about the new amazing offers on Swagbucks. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Now go to swagbucks.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account on Swagbucks yet, click on the link in this video description to sign up. Now that you have signed in, click here where it says Discover and click on Discover Home. Now you will be able to see lots of different companies that have uploaded offers on this site. Now the company we will go for today is called Review. They have new amazing offers. Now click on it to view these offers. The first offer I want to show you is this offer called Stash. If you're looking to start investing and want to earn some extra cash while you're at it, then Stash is the perfect opportunity for you. With Stash, you can start investing in just 2 minutes and receive a $5 bonus when you sign up today. Signing up for Stash is easy. All you have to do is confirm your email, link your financial institution, and deposit at least $5 into your personal portfolio to receive your bonus. You'll have the money in your account in no time and can start growing your wealth. This offer is only available to new customers, so don't miss out on this opportunity to earn a bonus. You will receive your bonus within the next week. You might be wondering why you should sign up for Stash. The answer is simple. With Stash, you can start investing with as little as $5, and it's easy to understand and use. Also, it is a great way to learn about investing and how to grow your money. With Stash, you can start building your wealth today and get a $5 bonus just for signing up. So don't wait. Sign up for Stash today and start your journey to financial success. The second offer I want to show you is the Cash App offer. Are you looking for an easy way to send, spend, bank, and invest? Look no further than Cash App. Cash App is the perfect solution for all your financial needs, and the best part is it's easy to use. Signing up for Cash App is simple. All you have to do is install the app, register and choose your cash take, and make your first transaction. It's that easy. And as a bonus, when you sign up and complete your first transaction, you will receive your SB within 5 minutes. This offer is only available for new installs and customers, so don't miss out on this opportunity to get paid for trying out Cash App. With Cash App, you can easily send and receive money, pay bills, and even invest your money with ease. Plus, Cash App is known for its security, so you can rest assured that your money is safe. Don't waste any more time. Install Cash App today and start enjoying all the features it has to offer. It's the easiest and most convenient way to manage your money, and with this offer, you'll get paid to try it out. So don't wait. Sign up for Cash App now and start enjoying the easy way to send, spend, bank, and invest. There are lots of amazing offers here, but we will only talk about these two for now in this video. If you want to know more about new offers from Swagbucks, then subscribe to this channel today and you will get notified every time I post new videos like this. Bye.